All right, today I'm taking a look at the GOLABS R300 portable power station. So we got instruction manual. So it says we can charge through an AC adapter with the car with a power delivery charger. Light modes. Oh, it's got a light. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we do have our charger, and this is 3.2 amps at 15 volts. And we got the car charger, and here we got, what is this? It's like a solar panel adapter. Yeah, cool. So you can charge this right with solar panels, maybe even the ones that are connected right to your house. That is a nice looking unit. Everything feels solid in there. It doesn't feel like any rattling or anything like that going on. So we got ventilation on both sides, so that's good. Here we got 12 volt power. So you can use anything that would plug into a car adapter. The power button, here we can turn on and off DC, and here we can turn on and off AC. So we can tell it to only supply power where we want it. So that's good. Now we'll also save power in the long run. 2 USB 3.0 ports, so good power there. And then even more importantly, we got the power delivery port. So if we need to fast charge our phone, we can use that. We can turn USB on and off there. We've got DC out and we got DC in. Okay, and it came at 78% charge, which is awesome. I don't want this thing to be overcharged. I don't want it to be undercharged. Having it right around there is actually perfect. It says it's got 99 hours remaining, which of course nothing's on, so that's probably max. And it's currently using 0 watts of power. So that's good. Plug in my LED light. Okay, look at that. So we got enough power to power this big RGB LED video light. And it says it's 78%, run it for 11 hours. So that's plenty of time. That's pretty awesome. So I really like that. I could actually just use this to determine like the wattage of things. Just plug it in and find out exactly what it's pulling. Pretty cool. And here I got my flash fish solar panel. It's a little cloudy up. I'm gonna see if I can get any kind of usable energy today. And it actually tells you the watts too. So you can see it's charging, it's pulling in about 29 watts right now. So that's pretty cool, even on a cloudy day. So overall, that's a pretty awesome little power station.